This is VA Geetika Shruti of GRIT of Biomedical Department 0913 batch. The main project which I have done is hand-mounted assistive device for blind using haptic feedback, and my project was guided by Mr. M. Prem Kumar sir. This is the hardware circuitry which you can see, and this hardware circuitry consists of 2 ping sensors and 2 brushless motors and an Arduino Uno. These are the ping sensors and these are 2 brushless motors, and this is an Arduino Uno. This is the device which I have designed. This is hand mounted haptic device, and these are the ping sensors, and here these are the connections which I have given to the Arduino, and this is the sliding switch which I have used to control the power supply of the device, and this is the slot which is being given to the free in order to give the power supply. Since this is an battery operated device, the batteries are being given here. These are the connections which are being given to the ping sensor and the Arduino. This black wire which you can see is the 5 volt, and this is the signal, and this is the ground which is being given to the Arduino Uno. Now I will demonstrate how a blind person can use it for navigating, for detecting the obstacle by using this device. Now I am switching on the device in order to show how it functions. You can see a LED is glowing here, the LEDs are glowing. This shows that the device is working. Now I will demonstrate how I can detect the obstacles. Here I have sensed a laptop which is being on my right side of my hand. So this sensor which is there here, situated here, this will detect it. And now I can sense in my left side that something is there. I guess this is a chair. No, actually. Now I can detect something here which is being on my left side. I guess, yeah, this is a bag and a book which I can detect here. Again, I can detect a water bottle and a box. And here I can see, here and again another bag which is being on my left side. So this motor which is present here, it's vibrating. And this is a label. And again a chair is being detected here. A chair which I can touch and sense it that I have detected a chair here. And again here a bench is again I have detected. And this is a laptop which I have detected. Here I am detecting a cell phone which is placed here, and you can see a LED glowing here, and the vibration motors which are there here, you can see that they are vibrating. See, this is on my left side, so that's why the left one is vibrating here. Here you can see that the right one is also vibrating because the ping sensors which I have used on the right side is detecting the cell phone which is being placed on the right side. Yeah. So this is how the device works. See, you can see here that the LED is glowing. Since I am keeping a camera here for video recording, so this is showing a LED glow, and since it's an obstacle, and the device which I've used is mainly for home and also for outside. But then for home, a blind child or a person can use it by using this. And the material which I've used for covering this device is the hardware circuitry is neoprene which I've used. I have used this because this is the material which can restore the heat in order so that a person doesn't feel any heat when the vibration motors are vibrating or any other things happen. So the conclusion is that this device is very much compatible, compact, reliable, and also a wearable device. So a person who is using it can also take the grasp or take the things which he wants at home, and also move or navigate around, which is a easy way to do. The device which we can see is very much, we can also, a person who is using this device can navigate around and also go outside, and he can move without the help of any other. That is, he can be independent, and he can also distinguish between the moving and also the stationary or stable things which are present. And at last, I can say that the device is much more affordable, economically affordable to the person who is using it. So everyone can afford it, and everyone can purchase it. Thank you.